friends. My name is Evelyn Flores, and I'm the Early Literacy Outreach Specialist here at Laramie County Library. I would like to encourage you to come out to the library and start your summer reading challenge today with some wonderful books from our 100 book collection. You can also go online and register anytime to start your kids at any age with the Beanstalk Challenge. We have a lot of challenges to start, and it's never too early to start reading to your kiddos. 0 to 3, even in the tummy. Start reading to your babies and read to your kids at all ages, and they don't even have to know the words. You can open up a book and talk about the big ocean of possibilities.